Hi, I'm Danny Gonzales, and this is IndustrialSage Headlines. Stellantis has announced a $13 billion plan to expand and modernize its U.S. operations. As part of the initiative, the company will reopen its Belvedere, Illinois plant, which was idled in 2023, and add more than 5,000 jobs across Illinois, Ohio, Michigan, and Indiana. According to the company's official announcement, this represents the largest single investment in Stellantis' 100-year U.S. history. The effort includes major upgrades for assembly lines and new EV-related investments as part of Stellantis' global electrification strategy through 2029. The plan will increase annual finished vehicle production by 50% and includes 5 new vehicle launches plus 19 product refreshes. Leaders say the goal is to strengthen North American supply chains and increase flexibility as trade policies and consumer demand evolve. From automation and tooling to logistics and workforce development, this plan marks a long-term commitment to American automotive manufacturing and the communities that support it. Apple has achieved an important milestone with its first shipment of AI servers built in the U.S. At its Houston facility, Apple is assembling and deploying new data center systems powered by its own custom silicon. Now, according to Apple Chief Operating Officer Sabi Khan, the 250,000 square foot facility opened ahead of its original 2026 schedule. The design gives Apple tighter control over how its AI models operate securely in the cloud while maintaining performance and privacy in-house through what the company calls private cloud compute. The Houston build also strengthens a growing hardware ecosystem across Texas, including power systems, cooling solutions, and advanced integration partners. Apple says the facility is on track to create thousands of jobs and is part of the company's $600 billion commitment to U.S. investment. As global supply chains shift, domestic manufacturing like this provides Apple with greater stability and a stronger foundation for future AI infrastructure. Merck has broken ground on a $3 billion manufacturing campus in Elkton, Virginia. According to the company, the 400,000 square foot facility will serve as Merck's center of excellence for pharmaceutical manufacturing and is expected to create more than 500 full-time jobs plus 8,000 construction jobs. The new site will expand U.S. capacity for biologics and small molecule medicines while supporting federal efforts to secure critical medicine production and reduce reliance on overseas supply chains. The facility will feature advanced clean rooms, automated process lines, and energy-efficient systems designed to improve quality and scalability. Merck has maintained a presence in Elkton for nearly 85 years, and this expansion is part of the company's broader $70 billion commitment to U.S. manufacturing, research, and development. Merck's expansion underscores how life sciences manufacturing is becoming a key part of the broader U.S. industrial resurgence. NVIDIA and TSMC have unveiled the first Blackwell generation wafer produced in the United States at TSMC's facility in Phoenix, Arizona. According to NVIDIA, the milestone represents that Blackwell has reached volume production. The site represents one of the largest semiconductor investments in U.S. history and reflects growing collaboration between chip designers and domestic foundry partners. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang called it a historic moment, stating that this is the first time in recent American history that the single most important chip is being manufactured in the U.S. by the most advanced fabrication facility. TSMC Arizona will produce advanced technologies including 2 nanometer, 3 nanometer, and 4 nanometer chips, essential for AI, telecommunications, and high-performance computing applications. The milestone marks a significant step toward reshoring advanced semiconductor manufacturing and improving supply chain security. The introduction of NVIDIA's next-generation chips on U.S. soil signals new opportunities for suppliers, engineers, and manufacturers building the nation's semiconductor base. A new Bloomberg report highlights how artificial intelligence and automation are reshaping logistics and manufacturing around the world. These technologies have moved beyond simple efficiency improvements. They are now redefining how supply chains are designed, managed, and optimized. According to the Bloomberg analysis, companies are implementing intelligent routing, predictive maintenance, and real-time analytics across production lines and distribution centers to respond more quickly to changes in demand. The report features examples from companies like Wabi, Penske, and the Port of Los Angeles that are using AI to cut costs, reduce waste, and unlock new economic growth. The transformation is already underway, and it is accelerating as industries modernize their operations. What was once considered future-looking innovation is now becoming standard practice. As a result, tomorrow's supply chains will function as intelligent networks that can learn, adapt, and respond in real time. And that evolution is establishing a new benchmark for industrial performance across the global economy. Well, and that does it for today's headlines. I'm Danny Gonzales. Thanks for watching.